I'm doing my makeup today. I was gonna do it anyway, but now I'm filming a video with it. I don't really know what I'm doing with my makeup. I am using the Naked Basics palette with the brown color. I think it's Lethal. This is so dirty, I can't even read it. But I was using NYX pomade, but my hair is growing out right now, so I'm a natural blonde, fun fact. It's fun because blondes have more fun, you know. But I was using that and it was fine, but since, I don't know, my hair's in a weird spot where like, it's like more of a sandy blonde color, like a dirty blonde, and the blonde pomade from NYX is like, it looks kind of orange on me. So I'm doing a brown and just like blending it out. Oof, I was gonna try and talk through this, but yeah, girl ain't that good. So gonna fast forward. Whew. There we go. I'm gonna put brow gel on my eyebrows so that don't go nowhere. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna go on to the eyes because I like doing the eyes before I do anything else on my face, like any face makeup, because if I mess up my eyes and I have a bunch of face makeup on, then I have to redo way more than if I didn't. Oh my gosh! Guys, there's a raisin in my makeup bag. I'm gonna go into this Pure Soiree Diaries palette. I'm gonna go for this cool tone one called Gala. I'm just gonna like blend it into my crease, just for like a hint of like, oh, she like kinda tried. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of a darker one. I think this one called Splurge. I think I just might splurge. This we can deal with. We can deal with this. And then I'm gonna just take this big powder brush and just go over it to lighten it up. Because again, I really just want like the whisper of something, you know. We're gonna move on to the face, I think. I don't know. Do I want to put on lashes with this? Oh, I feel like I do. I think I'm not gonna. I'm gonna do some brown liner. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, yuck it up. Yes, girl, yes, yes. I'm gonna take this color from this same palette called Epic. Epic. I'm gonna use it as a liner. I have eyelash glue on my eyelashes. I'm gonna use this Morphe Y6 brush and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I know this is gonna be a natural look. I cannot take myself seriously, hang on. Whatever. And I think today I'm just gonna leave it like this. Wow, Cassandra, that joke is so funny. You're so funny. Stop, I know. Gonna blend this puppy out. Cool, so there she is. I'm gonna use like an actual beauty blender, like the brand, to set this under my eyes. Sorry if you cringe when people use a lot of setting powder, but I am consistently one of those people. I was in Sephora and I was gonna get a new setting powder and I was using like a CoverGirl one. Oof, I just inhaled like all of that. But at any rate, calm down, Cassandra. This lady was talking to me, she was helping me figure out which one to get, like that would still be good. And she was like, oh, well, you can just get, I mean, the cool thing is, like, it doesn't matter which brand you, like, really get, because you don't really use a lot of setting powder. You just use it, like, under your eyes anyway. And I was like, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even say what I was doing. Yeah, I just kept going. I'm using this Hoola bronzer. It's, like, super old. It's like the orangey one. I need to get like a cool tone one, but I had a number 7 bronzer that was from like the drugstore and it was awesome. And I was like, I hit pan on it and I was like, wow. I said to someone, I was like, wow, this is the first time that I've hit pan and like almost finished a product without breaking it. And I turned around literally in that moment to put it in my bag and I dropped it on my kitchen floor and I broke it. Shattered to a bunch of pieces. Like, obviously this isn't gonna look like I'm not wearing any makeup because I still want it to look like I'm wearing makeup. I just don't want to look like way over the top. Like, if somebody's looking at me from across the room, I don't want them to be like, oh wow, her makeup. I would rather than be like, oh, she's trying. It's sweet. I'm gonna like just put a little breath of life on my nose here. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with a setting spray. I used the Urban Decay All Night. We're just gonna. Oh, I just whacked it into my eye. Ooh, context. And then I'm gonna use this glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's too dark for my skin, so we're gonna compensate by using these two really pretty ones and then just putting the yellow one over it so I don't look like this weird like orangey thing going on. Gonna dab that on my nose. So I'm pretty much done with everything. I'm just gonna put some mascara on. I used the Maybelline Lash Sensation or Sensational. Gosh, I can't read. I'm sorry. But we live and let learn. So I'm gonna put on some mascara and I'll talk to you in just a sec. Okay. I'm gonna fix my hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I put on a lipstick from NYX. It's a liquid lipstick. It's like a little mini thing that came in one of their Christmas collections. And then I just put 2 braids in my hair and curled it and did a little middle part thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please follow me on Instagram and go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you're interested. I'm gonna be rebooting my channel here really soon. I will see you in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scout.